Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport coming back today. We have a Porsche 993. This is the video that I told you guys where we were just resealing the actual cam covers and the actual front timing chain covers. So everything is all done. So now we're just going to actually line everything back up, and we're going to actually put all the make sure everything is connected properly, torque everything up, and then basically put the AC compressor on top there and a few other stuff here. And then we'll go from there. Let's press pause. Okay, this is what I mean. So all this, you gotta make sure all these connections done properly here as well. So a lot of stuff, and make sure you don't have to, like a job like this, you can't rush because you end up damaging other stuff. But I'll show you one more time. There's your cam covers, aluminium one, aluminium here. Pretty much all this was all taken out, shown on the other video, and that's the old cam covers. As you can see, somebody had used elastic to actually reseal it. They should have changed the actual cam covers straight away, but pretty much everything's back together. We are ready to actually put everything back on.